Today we read Introduction to Geography, Definition of Geography, Scope and Importance of Economic and Commercial Geography, Subjective Questions and Theory. Definition and meaning of geography. The word geography is a combination of two words, geo and graphy. Geo is a Greek word which means the earth, and the word graphy has been derived from the word graphon, which means description. So geography means description of the earth. The study of geography as a science of the earth began from very early times. However, its scope remained limited, as its study was confined only to the environmental conditions in which the ancients lived. With the advance of the time, man also began to study the effects of environment on natural things. In those times, therefore, geography could be defined as the science of description of physical features of the earth. The modern geographers tried their best to make the subject more interesting and useful. They tried to study geographical facts on scientific basis. The ancient geographer neglected the activities of men on the earth, unmindful of the fact that brings thousands of changes for his development and prosperity in the world. Thus, the modern geography included the activities of man on the earth as an essential part for the study of geography. So, the present definitions of geography are: geography is concerned to provide the accurate, orderly, and rational description and interpretation of the variable character of the Earth's surface. This definition was belonging to R. Mashon, and another definition according to International Geographical Congress in 1908 said, "Geography as a branch of science has for its object the description of the surface of the earth as evidence of man's relationship with the earth's surface and the home of man." Geography as a whole is regarded as the department of knowledge which studies the varied features of the Earth's surface as the environment of mankind. This definition was according to Dr. Scott Ritter Wetzel. Geography is divided into two main branches: physical geography and human or cultural geography. Physical geography focuses on the study of the activities that take place on the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere of the Earth. It studies the nature, the physical features of the planet, the environment, and the natural hazards. Human or cultural geography focuses on the study of human societies, their culture aspects, and how they relate to spaces, places of the earth. It studies the effects of human activities on the planet. It comprises different fields such as population, urbanization, economic structures and activities, interdependence and development, political organization, and etc. Definition of economic and commercial geography. Economic geography is the intellectual interest to the study of geographical facts relating to commerce. According to REF GD, Chisholm's Handbook of Commercial Geography. Economic geography is the study of the way man adjusts his economic activities to the physical environment according to climate and others. Thus, economic and commercial geography is that branch of human geography in which we study the geographical description of production and distribution of various products required by mankind. I think this main definition. Therefore, we say that economic and commercial geography is the geography of production and distribution. While producing any product, various factors contribute their effects on the production. Similarly, for distribution of any commodity, certain factors exert their influence. These factors are related to the surroundings of the place of production or distribution. Hence, one may say that economic geography deals with the factors affecting the production of articles required for food, shelter, and clothing. One cannot distribute the product unless it is produced, and therefore commercial geography deals with the factors affecting the distribution of the products. Thus, the purpose of economic and commercial geography is to study the relationship between the factors affecting production and also factors affecting distribution and their relation with mankind. As the natural resources are unevenly distributed and therefore prosperity, development, demands, and supply are also variable at different places, and the factors influencing the type or pattern of production and distribution are dissimilar at different places depending upon the progress of mankind. Scope of economic and commercial geography. As the purpose and the scope of economic and commercial geography is to study the factors responsible for the production and distribution of various commodities, to study the trend of consumption together with the problems involved. Thus, we can say that economic and commercial geography is mainly concerned with the study of agriculture, minerals, and industrial resources, and also means of transportation and trade centers of the world. Some more detailed explanation about factors of production and distribution are as follows. Study of agricultural resources. For the study of economic and commercial geography, it is essential that causes for the production of various agricultural products are to be studied. This is the short definition. Study of mineral resources. Minerals are also an important factor of commerce and trade because every country in the world is not self-sufficient in mineral resources. So in economic and commercial geography, we study about the production and distribution of different minerals found in the world. And the third one, study of industrial resources. Agriculture and minerals resources are mainly responsible for industrial progress of an area. So industrial progress cannot be studied without the study of other factors. Study of means of transportation. Means of transportation also play an important role for the progress of agricultural, mineral, and industrial resources. Is the short definition. And study of trade centers. Trade centers also play an important role for the trade or commerce of certain areas because without the study of various trade centers, progress in trade and commerce is not possible. Importance of economic and commercial geography. Nowadays, economic and commercial geography is an important subject not only for the students of commerce, but it also helps in different fields of life. For example, for students, for traders, for industrialists, for agriculturists, for students. The study of economic and commercial geography helps the commerce students in the selection of right path for their future so that they can become successful businessmen, industrialists, traders, bankers, etc. This definition was very important. This very important, and I repeat this important question in my board exams. So please be serious. And for traders, by the study of economic and commercial geography, the businessman can learn about the production and trade of various crops and minerals found in the world. In this way, they can make their business more progressive. Third, for industrialists, the study of economic and commercial geography guides about the resources for the raw material of industries. This was a short definition. For agriculturists, by the study of economic and commercial geography, the big farmers can know about the qualities of progressive kinds of seeds and methods used in developed countries of the world. This is short definition. Fifth one, for economists, the study of economic and commercial geography can help the economists while making economic planning because it also tells about the world resources besides its own country. And sixth one, for bankers, leading bankers can know much more about those countries in which they are going to invest their money by the study of economic and commercial geography. Seventh one, for rulers, by the study of economic and commercial geography, they can know about the agricultural, minerals, and industrial progress in different parts of the world. It also tells them how the people of those countries have utilized their resources for progress. So the ruling class can raise the living standard of their people by using the same methods which the other nations have adopted. Thus, we can say that the study of economic and commercial geography can guide the ruling class at how the best use of natural resources can be made, so the problems of poverty, hunger, and unemployment can be solved. MCQs. Number 1. How many words make the combination of word geography? 2. From which language of the word geo has been taken Greek? In which period people began to study commercial geography? Olden days. Which nation of European continent took a monopoly on the world's trade after Industrial Revolution? British. Which country was ruling the trade of industry in these days? China. In which branch we study the surplus resources of the world, commercial geography. When the Industrial Revolution came in the European countries after 18th century, which profession is considered respectable in Islam business? Which nation work hard for the progress of commercial geography? Muslims. In which branch of geography human activities are studied? Human geography. Which is the name of that trade in which goods are sent from one country to another, that is export. At which time the Arab traders used to go for trade in olden days at the daytime. The study of which subject can be more useful for economic planning, commercial geography. Which factor is most important for the industrial development of the country location? In which branch of physical geography study of ocean is performed hydrosphere? Thanks for watching. For more presentation or solved questions, please support us. Thank you.